Okay, dear people, I hope that you hear me very well. Today I would like to show you how to create a frame by extruding two different shapes. You have to have two separate profile shapes. But to be able to do that, I would like to show you step by step what steps you have to do. Also, when you draw curve, the best way how to draw them is top viewport. When you draw first a curve, when you finish the drawing curve, you have to use option open close. The same with this shape. I still also have to find out how to change approximation, because in Blender it's completely different in Blender. Also, don't forget to delete output operations so this curve is clean. Wireframe, don't forget to set this, and wireframe on shaded. Check if you have got selected OpenGL, because this is important too. I have to check temperature of my processor because I had issue with high temperature and now it is stable. I have to buy Arctic freezer when I render in an application, because when you render this application causes your CPU to create high temperature. This is what worries me quite a lot. So I have to delete object. How you do that? You select your profile shape. You have to have this selected. I also have some settings, like you got option translate manipulator. Second, edit that shape, but I like doing that from top viewport. Wait a minute. Do I do this correctly? Front? In frontal viewport, because I moved my curve. You can also insert a curve if you want, but this works in object mode. I have to check something. We got extra point to manipulate, to add some geometry so that our shape will be okay. I didn't deselect this. Okay, I will get back to you now because I have to show you how you create that shape, because I want to show you how to create a shape of a frame, the frame itself. First, that shape must be selected, then you go to curve, polymesh, depending what you want to have as output, because you can use as output surface mesh or polymesh. I prefer that one. Extrusion along the curve. Okay, now we choose the curve. We also have some options, snap to profile, but the most important is when you add more segments from center. This is important too, because this will adjust our shape better. Option called from center. You see, we don't have any artifacts. I will set to 120. You can still use a higher value. There is no limitation. Now we have beautiful frame extruded. I hope you like this video. Don't forget this option, this and this, because this will delete output history when you want to have clean geometry and to save later on.